Alright, bro. I'm back. Hold on, let's see if YouTube sounds good. Hold on. All right. YouTube, testing. All right, we good. We good. Hold on, let me just. All right. All right, so did I mark out the? Okay. All right. I'm looking for some longs for now. Obviously off the midpoint, but we could reject from here. So we just gotta wait and see. We just gotta be patient and wait and see. Now I would like for us to tap this low and then go up. Let me see. So if it taps that, oof, so it's like barely 25 points. All right, we got 3 minutes till open. 3 minutes till open. Scott, I'll let you talk afterwards. Uh, Good morning, bro. Good morning, bro. I want longs off. I'm gonna put targeting 30,000. Yeah, well. So like 100 points, basically. All right. Volume is starting to pick up a little bit. It would leave the high. Would be perfect. I already got 1 minute. Hopefully we don't reject off this high right here, because if we do, then I'm probably gonna miss it, if I'm being honest. If I'm being honest. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for now. I mean, things can change, but I don't know, 1 to 2. We'll see what's up. I mean, we can target this high right here, but let's just, for example, 50 points. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, it looks pretty good. The setup looks pretty good. We just gotta see if it gives us the retest, because it can easily just pump without us, you know. That's, you know, if I don't get a retest, then it is what it is. No, just the waiting game to wait and see if it gives us our retest. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So probably opening candles kind of. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I know it is. I know it is, but the problem that it's kind of slow, meaning that we probably are gonna reject from here, which is not what I want. Yeah, well, let's see. Uh, I would like it more if it reject, yeah, like that, you know, and closes above, somewhere like right here, and then next candle goes down, taps the middle, and then rejects. That would be cool. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. How much to enter in this 1,000 account drawdown? I thought your homeboy was trading it for you. Bro, come on. Nah, bro. Let him finish trading. Let him finish trading that, bro. If he made you 1,000 drawdown, if he made you go into 1,000 drawdown, then make him get you back at break even at least. Bro, shorter flow right now. And, man, I kind of want to wait for this low to be tapped before I take anything, honestly. So DMR, it depends, bro. It really depends on you. If you have money to keep buying accounts, then you can do a high risk to pass real quick. But if you don't have money to be buying accounts, I would take it slow. So strong buyers holding. Yeah, if we can close above, you know, I mean, preferably this turns green, right? But anywhere like right here, somewhere, and then next candle retests, and then wicks up. But I kind of wanted to tap this lower right here first before anything. Yo, Jose, you see how Arbum isn't even in here? He wouldn't leave it. Yeah, bro. All right, this is a nice reaction. I like this reaction. Yeah, Arbum. I don't know, man. All right, now the problem is that we could just continue to pump with zero retracement. Calm down, Ben Arbum. Arbumon. Chill, 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 chill. All right, this is the retest, but for this level. So if we pump from this level, then we're not gonna get anything. All right, be able to go some longs right there, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait for this low to be tapped. Honestly, I'm not taking anything if this low isn't tapped, or I might do low risk. But the way we're rejecting here, we're probably just gonna keep pumping from here. Probably. Yeah, Jose. Somebody go at go at Arbum in the chat. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Price is slow. I don't like this. Price is pretty slow, but we are rejecting from this level right here. This is what I don't like whenever we have levels literally above the orb. If it was like right here somewhere, that would be like really nice. But it's not, so. Alright. We're about to tap the middle, guys. I mean, I want to enter off the middle, but I kind of want to tap this low first. Mm, okay. Now the problem with this is that we can go up. All right, once we whip back towards the middle, I might consider entering. may consider entering some longs. Unless we close below, then I'm not. Because that's a little too much selling pressure. Price is slow, guys. I really don't like this. Let's see how this candle closes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just wait for this candle to close. If we can close above this line, this blue line at least, we still have an opportunity. But if we close below, then we're just gonna have to flip everything. Volume bearish. Yeah, we're a little too bearish. I mean, too much selling pressure. Even the volume is not that crazy. Volume is pretty slow, but sellers are there. Okay, well, we closed above. Okay, let's see. I am belonging after that 5-minute inverse. Are you talking about this one? So once we close like above here. Oh, the bearish one. Oh yeah. Maybe we have some bears in the market, chat. So the short soon probably gonna reverse offline. Yeah, if we don't pump back towards the middle, then I'm gonna probably have to stay cash. I see longs. Yeah, me too. I don't mind staying cash at all. You know, we're up. So I mean, as long as we don't close below, because if we do, then we're gonna have to flip to the downside for shorts. Stop loss hit. You hit your stop loss, Raj. How much you lose? No, we hit stop loss. No, bro, I'm not even in anything. Look, I'm not in anything. Yeah, we ain't enter. Look, you see my P&L right here. If I'm in a trade, then you would see right here. P&L. Weird. What's weird? Yeah, Tracy, Jay Tracy is pretty cool. It just has like a small delay, like, well, I don't know. It's just whenever you size heavy. This is my experience. This is my personal experience. Whenever you size pretty heavy, it tends to like feel you pretty bad. Well, not pretty bad, but like not as good as Trade of 8. You know, so for example, if I were to like go longs right now, for example, right, just for example, boom, I go longs. Price is at 6, 7, right? It would literally feel me like, well, if I'm in longs, then it would feel me like at the like five, 5 to 10 point difference. But that's whenever I size heavy. Yeah, like the slippage is pretty bad. I mean, well, it's only when you size heavy, or obviously with news. Yeah, well, they better, bro, because I lost so many accounts full porting because I enter and automatically I'm already down like 1,000. Like, so I like the way he's rejecting. Yeah, but I don't size heavy. I only do 7, so I usually get a good fill. I just like trade C because you can actually see the chart and then, you know, long. Because if I had to use TradeAway, then I would have to use TradingView, and then on a separate screen, I would have to have my TradeAway, and it's just two different, two different screens or whatever. Slippage normally an extra toner. Yeah, man, trade C slippage is pretty bad. We looks like we're gonna close below. And pretty strongly too. So, all right, well, it's pretty common sense. Well, I'm not gonna say common sense, but it's looking pretty obvious that we want to take out this low here. I mean, we can probably go for this low here too. I don't have any other lows, so we would try a new MFF platform. Oh, are you serious? That's not no MFF platform. Are you serious? Bruh, that's not real, is it? New MFF platform. Yeah, man. The markets have been not so great. We're probably really gonna take out this level with no retest, with no retracement. Scott, did you take anything? Coming up to Asia Orb. Trump made me hit the new account. Oh yeah, bro. Friday and Monday. Those of you guys who were on the opposite position of, where it randomly just sold off and pumped to. I feel sorry for you, man. Trump literally made like so many people blow their accounts. Fin, fin. Let me check over this real. Twice I was in both opposite positions in the first one. Yeah, no, I saw that, bro. I didn't trade Friday, but I saw it, and then I saw Mondays too. I was like, Jesus, like, oh, I'm glad I, I'm glad I didn't take that. Oh, MFF is actually adding F Fentivo. Hey, yo, let's see. That's taking my laptop from me now on. Yeah, bro. Trump and these random tweets, bro. Trump and these random tweets. Oh, yeah, yeah. mm, I don't know. Yeah, it's not looking like we're gonna get a retest. Where everybody they said they joined the live, bro. They don't. People say they're gonna join, but never do. I mean, I don't blame them, man. It's super early, especially for a lot of people that live in Cali, in the other side of the world stuff. People be tired, They just don't want to bad enough, like my homeboy says. It was super early to stop training. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I hate waking up in the morning. Like, genuinely, I hate waking up in the morning. Whenever I used to have a job, I don't even want to say the word, but whenever I used to have those matrix funding programs, whatever you want to call them, uh, I used to wake up like at 8 in the morning my time, and I hated it so much, bro. Like, I hated it so much. But for trading, I do get tired. I wake up tired and everything, but I don't feel the same, because actually I have the opportunity to make so much more money. Move to the future. Yeah, like we're about to tap this level. I knew we were gonna go for this level, but hey, we got some news in about 10 minutes. So let's see what happens. But I'm like 99.99% sure that I'm gonna test stay cash. Says we never got a retest. All right, we're like right there. If only this wick retested, we would have been in the shorts. It's 100 something points. Yeah, I saw this candle selling off like crazy. Well, I'm not gonna say like crazy, but some strong selling pressure. So that's why I didn't really enter off the middle. I use IMD. What's IMD? Oh, there we go. We tapped this level. Strategies. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Now, are we gonna go for this level 2? I don't know. Hmm. How many points is that? Possible. Especially with if we go to low, which is honestly, bro. Honestly, I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but this is my opinion. If we can close above, like somewhere like right here, retest this low again, we could pump back up here. I mean, I could see it, but I'm not gonna take it, right? I only take one setup, and that's the orb. Yeah, look at this immediate reaction. Plus, whenever we dump pretty, you know, more than 50 points per candle. But whenever we pump, we only pump like 20, 30 points. So buyers need to step up if we're going to go back up here. But honestly, I'm done. I don't think I'm going to take anything. So, unfortunately, we stay cash today. It's not bad. I'm not going to say unfortunately, it's not bad. Some days are just not trading days. So far, we're on a 2-day win streak again. If we go to the low, I'm scared. Yeah. Everybody always talking about like short all time highs, short all time high. Like, bro, no, I mean you're in a bull market. Why would you want to go shorts? I mean, you're like it's like for example this uptrend. Like you would be looking well normally like like an average trader would be looking for longs, right? To continue the market trend, right? But whenever we're at all time highs, why would you be looking for shorts? I mean, if a short setup like appears, then yeah, I mean, go for it. I mean, but be like, oh, I'm not gonna go longs because we're already all time highs, even though I have a good setup. Like that's dumb, my opinion. Yeah, like you should be going longs. Well, I'm not gonna say be going longs, like you know, only longs, but you shouldn't be scared to be going in longs. You shouldn't be like, oh, I'm not gonna go in longs because we're already all time high. Like that's pretty dumb. These shorts look juicy, bro. It's like 1, 2 candles. Yeah, but like, look at this, bro. Like, I mean, like this candle alone was like not even 50 points. Oh, we're getting some volume. I spend more time in longs. Yeah, I mean, people just be like, "Oh, don't go longs. It's retarded to go longs." And like, bro, no, it's not. All right, I'm just gonna wait till 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. Yo, Jay, have you ever have you used MFF, My Family Features, the platform? No, but I know all about it. It's good in my eyes. Oh, nice. Hey, I got an important question for you, bro. Do you use code JTNQ? Scott, are you there? Scott, of course. All right, bet. Scott, check your DM real quick on Instagram. Hmm. Yup. My bad, I'm in the longs. Oh, just check your Instagram real quick. Just real quick. Just peep at it. If whenever you get the time. Yo, Amado, what's up? All right, bet, Scott. Bet. What's up? Can I use it on Lucid? Use what on Lucid? Code. Code. My code? JTNQ? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Yeah. You can. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't blame him. I mean, I'm not gonna take anything from the Blues account anyways, but I'm not trying to. Ooh, $100 drawdown. You would have to like bottom tick up a good setup. It's an eval. What is it? Pro or flex? Flex, of course. W, bro. The flexes are good. The flexes are goaded. Yeah, bro. Honestly, 100 drawdown. It's really tough. I mean, it's not impossible to revive, but it's really hard. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you would just have to like I said, you would just have to bottom tick a good setup. Just hold, make quick 500 and then all that stuff. Yeah, no, I've done it with I've done it with a similar amount. Yeah, 500 is great. Yeah, to be honest, it is. It really depends on how many contracts you're in and where your TP is at. All right, supposedly we got news right now. So what do we have? We have Fedman Wash testifies. 1 hour as a oblivion. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, bro. Me trying to revive an account, I just can't. Not because I don't have like the skill to, but I just cannot. Like I know this is a bad mindset, and don't copy what I'm about to say, but I just don't want to waste my time. I'd rather, what I mean, unless I have no other choice. Yeah, exactly. Like if it's my only account or something like that, then yeah. By the way, we did reverse from here, but didn't get an entry. I'm done though. I'm not trading. Mm, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Some days you just gotta stay cash. I was right about the reversal from here, but just because you're right doesn't mean you have a setup. So I'm done. I'm gonna stay in cash. We can still reverse from here, from the middle, but it wouldn't really be as good because we already tapped this low. I believe it's low. Yeah, we already tapped this low, so let me in. All right. Hold on, let me just end my live on YouTube. YouTube, whoever's watching or whoever's watching this live, whatever, we didn't take anything. Reason being, we didn't have a proper setup. So, peace out. We'll be back tomorrow.